What's up, everyone? This is me, Sheikh Jain, and I am glad to announce that all Sketchware projects and who have waiting much and also unsubscribed my channel. I have noticed recently someone from Sketchware group recently unsubscribed this channel. I don't know. I guess he or she thought that that guy never will update those projects. So the wait is over, and from tomorrow you will get all the projects live on this channel. So for that you need to follow some criteria to get all the project. So I'm happy to announce that finally the wait is over for all the Sketchware developers. You will get six premium projects created by Rex LLC, me, and other developers with license, block, JSON, everything with libraries. You will get those all projects link absolutely free by watching some videos. So first you will get a link from that you can download these projects, and I'm creating this video just let you know that from tomorrow you will get all projects, and from tomorrow our videos will be live on YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and just subscribe now. Just it's a free of course, so you need to subscribe this channel. So how you can download that project? So now I'm giving you the quick overlook. With this process you can download the project. So first I'm gonna show you the thing. If I go to the blogger settings, I mean from the description link of each and every video there will be six of them, like six videos in this channel from tomorrow, and from there you'll get this kind of same link. Just press that link and you will get to this site. This is my blogger site, and from there you can see these are the features, like what kind of projects with descriptions, with thumbnail you will get. And after that you can see it's the first one is the Talkify, then will be like Skego, and these are the projects. Stambian, the most awaited project for everyone. So how you can download this project? So make sure clicking on this link you will get watch this video. So make sure you watch each of them, like don't skip a single video. And after watching those every videos you will get, after watching all videos, okay, you can see there is another caption like to get all projects what you need to do. So here's the some question answer. So by watching and reading them you know how to download the process. You just simply need to first need to watch all videos on this channel related on this project series, and after that you'll get this kind of example also to access the thing. So you need to press this link to go there. So for an example I'm giving you right now, so you will get these all videos on this channel. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are six videos. So first you need to watch all videos. The first video duration you can see 29 minutes and 24 cents. Make sure you watch this full video, don't skip a single one, because the reason I'm telling you don't skip a single part of this video, you also watch this video. These are not a lengthy videos, you know that this one is lengthy, and you watch everything, don't skip a single part. And why I'm recommending you to don't skip it, because this option. So on all videos or some videos you will get this kind of thing interface. So just when I'm talking regarding the project, each of them, you will get some answers over there. You can see it's the top information, the eye icon I have mentioned in every video. So you will get this kind of answers. The ANS means answer, and there is answer of the question. So you need to just write it down with some sketchbook or with some notepad, or you can also write it on your notepad, your Windows notepad. Just simply write down everything, and then you can see you need to just copy down all the answers. There are five questions for the five answers, so you need to write down those five answers, And after that, you can see this is the example of it. Okay, you need to do that in the first place. Now after that, you just simply need to go for the subscribe to download. I'm now giving you the thing. You just need to subscribe this channel. You can see it says subscribe to continue. So if you have already subscribed, just ignore that, because it will automatically give you the download link after the detection, obviously. So here is a download link. Here's a download now button. So when you press the download now option, there is another subscribe and hit bell link. It's also there. So you have already subscribed, just skip it, because I have given it like some of them are not subscribing. So it will verify you have subscribed. Then follow also my Instagram, because I have recently opened as Sketchware SWP Instagram for you all, to giving you some real-time reels. And then also make sure join our official Telegram there, and it will also verify the three things are verified. Now go to the link. So it is the Google Form link. So don't cheat everything, because all things are surveillance. Under the surveillance, you will get caught if you have do anything wrong. So make sure you do sign in with the email address. Then make sure you confirm the email address. Then write down your name, your email address. Then answer all the questions. So you can see here is the questions with answer, and you will get those 5 answers. You can see there is one question with 5 points, and there another 5 question is each 1 point. So it means the whole thing is in 10 points. And after that, you need to press next to submit. So if you get 10 out of 10, then you will get one link, and which link you can download those whole project. You don't need to do any other thing. So make sure to get all things. So you first need to watch all 6 of thing, and subscribe my channel and follow Instagram. You can see these are the all thing. So you'll get all answers. And where you can find those answers, from here on the top of the right section of the information eye icon. Okay, here's the answer. You just write down somewhere and you'll get